Makeup, despite its temporary benefits, can have long-term consequences for skin health. Many cosmetic products contain chemicals that may clog pores, disrupt the skin's natural balance, or cause allergic reactions over time. Prolonged use of makeup can also lead to skin dehydration and premature aging due to the constant need for vigorous cleansing to remove residues. Understanding these risks underscores the importance of exploring alternatives to achieve a natural, healthy glow. Here's our countdown on the top 5 ways to look better without makeup. 5. Prioritize skincare essentials. Achieving a makeup-free look starts with establishing a robust skincare regimen tailored to your skin type and concerns. Begin with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities and dirt without stripping the skin of its natural oils. Follow with a moisturizer that suits your skin's needs to keep it hydrated and supple throughout the day. Incorporate antioxidant-rich products like vitamin C serums or niacinamide to combat environmental stressors and promote skin radiance naturally. 4. Practice holistic health. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins provides essential nutrients that support skin health and overall well-being. Hydration is equally vital. Drinking an adequate amount of water daily helps maintain skin elasticity and hydration levels. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to skin cells, which contributes to a youthful complexion. Good sleep hygiene is also crucial. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin time to repair and rejuvenate. 3. Block the sun. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is paramount in any skincare routine. Sun exposure accelerates skin aging and increases the risk of skin cancer. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher daily, even on cloudy days, to shield your skin from UV damage. This essential step not only prevents premature aging, but also maintains an even skin tone and texture. 2. Enhance your natural features. Embracing a minimalist approach to beauty enhances your natural features without relying on heavy makeup. Consider using a tinted moisturizer or BB cream with SPF for a subtle, even complexion. Focus on grooming your eyebrows and curling your lashes to open up your eyes. A well-maintained hair care routine and a confident smile complement your makeup-free look effortlessly. 1. Be confident and naturally radiant. Ultimately, achieving a makeup-free look is about embracing your natural beauty and adopting healthy habits that support radiant skin from within. By prioritizing skincare, maintaining a balanced lifestyle, and safeguarding your skin from environmental stressors, you can enhance your appearance and exude confidence without the need for makeup. Embrace your unique features, cultivate self-care practices, and let your natural radiance shine through. Transitioning to a makeup-free lifestyle is not just about eliminating cosmetics, it's a holistic approach to nurturing your skin and overall well-being. By understanding the potential drawbacks of makeup and exploring alternative skincare routines, you can achieve a radiant complexion naturally. Start by prioritizing skincare with gentle cleansers, hydrating moisturizers, and protective sunscreens to maintain skin health and resilience against environmental stressors. Incorporate a balanced diet, adequate hydration, regular exercise, and quality sleep into your daily routine to support skin vitality from within. Embrace a minimalist beauty regimen that enhances your natural features, such as tinted moisturizers and grooming essentials. By cultivating these habits and embracing your unique beauty, you can confidently embrace a makeup-free look that radiates natural charm and self-assurance. Remember, true beauty shines brightest when you prioritize self-care and embrace the natural glow that comes from within. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.